First, we can attempt to repair and reset the Windows Security application. To do this, open your Start menu, search for Windows Security, then right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click on Terminate, then scroll further down to Reset and click on Repair. Once the repair process is complete, click on Reset and then confirm by clicking the Reset button again. After these steps, try opening Windows Security to see if the issue is resolved. If repairing and resetting does not fix the blank page, the next step is to ensure your system is up to date. Reopen your Start menu and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Windows Update and then click on Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates for your computer. If all previous solutions have failed, a more comprehensive approach is to reset your PC. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and click to open it. In the left-hand pane, select System, then scroll down and click on Recovery. Next to Reset this PC, click the Reset button. You will be presented with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. To preserve your personal data, select Keep My Files. Please be aware that this process will reset all your applications and settings to their original defaults, and any third-party applications you have installed will also be removed. This is considered a last resort, but it is highly effective in resolving the Windows Security blank page issue. Once you have made your selection, click Next and follow the on-screen prompts to reset your PC. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.